Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me. And today I've got a blaster box of 2022. Yes, it's 2023, but 2022 Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary. Yesterday was the first time I actually saw any out in the wild, and I kind of passed it over. They only had 3 boxes, but this morning I was kind of craving something to rip. So I went back to the same Fred Meyer, and they only had 1 left. So I picked it up, and like you can see, it was $30. So yeah, we'll hop into this. So again, it seems like the blasters are pretty decent for pulling stuff. Because again, even after it being a late release, it seems like it's not printed to the moon. But anyway, you're going to get 3 exclusive prism refractors guaranteed a box. And these are based upon the classic 53 design. So let's get ripping. Let's see what we can get. See if any autographs come flying out of here. So we got a Matt Manning rookie, Juan Marichal, Will Smith refractor, and a Hyun-Jin Ryu for the Blue Jays. So we'll sleeve up the refractor here. Definitely have the chrome curve. They're not flat like Merlin saucer. Looks like we got a Vlad Guerrero Sr., Vladdy Daddy, Corey Seager, Steven Strasburg, who retired, and a Max Muncy. So nothing in that pack. This feels like it's got an extra card, so that probably means that it's one of the X-Fractors. Hoyt Wilhelm for the White Sox. Carlos Santana. The other Carlos Santana. Gavin Lux. Didn't I just get him already? Or am I thinking of somebody else? No, I'm thinking of somebody else. Jose Altuve, who looks angry. And a Jared Walsh Prism Refractor for the Angels. Does look nice. And it is a pretty big set. I think it's, what, 500 cards? Kervin Castro, rookie for the Giants. Jacob Robeson. Oh, we got one of those blues. Rookies. Kevin Smith, rookie for the Oakland Athletics. Do we get a nice color match? Nope, it's Washington. I was kind of hoping may have been J-Rob. Or not J-Rob, sorry. Julio. But it's a Josh Bell. Like a blue speckle or whatever they call it. Last 4 packs. Giancarlo Stanton. Goose Gossage. A Jake McCarthy rookie for the Diamondbacks. And our refractor is going to be a Pedro. Who's your daddy? Martinez. For Boston. I mean, technically they could have put him on the Expos, considering that's, well, I guess he started with the Dodgers, but then he went to the Expos, and then he went to Boston. Then he went to New York Mets. I think he had one more stop. Wasn't it like Philadelphia before he retired? Freddie Freeman. Lou Brock. Looks like we got another blue. Billy Martin. Helio Ramos for the Giants rookie. And a Sparky Anderson. That's kind of like a color match. There's Tiger Blue. Last two, last chances for anything. So it feels like this is probably another Prism. Cal Raleigh, catcher for the Mariners. Keith Hernandez. David Ortiz. Satchel Paige. And our second Prism is going to be Pudge, the original Pudge, Carlton Fisk, who played for both Sox. Boston, then Chicago. Last pack, last chance for a numbered card. Not looking good. Looks bad. Pete Alonso. Jack Flaherty. Oh, we got Babe Ruth. Is it numbered or anything? It is numbered. Jesse Winker. It's an autograph. Not numbered. An autograph. It's on card. And it's a Mariner, so I think it's local to the area. I wonder if that would go in a regular top loader. Or if it's too... Oh, no, it goes into a regular one. Thought it might have been a little too thick and needed to go to a 55 point. So, super quick recap from a single blaster of 2022 Topps Chrome Anniversary. Or Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary. So got the Carlton Fisk Prism, Sparky Anderson Blue, Pedro Martinez Refractor, Josh Bell Blue, Jared Walsh Prism, Will Smith. So we did get shorted a Prism because there were supposed to be 3 per blaster. Will Smith regular refractor, but I guess we'll take it with the, even though he's no longer with Seattle, the Jesse Winker autograph. So yeah, that concludes this box break. Hope y'all enjoyed it and have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.